Hello again. You've made it to lesson 2 of your pedestrian safety. Danielle here. I'm going to go ahead and get my screen shared and we'll get started with today's lesson. Go ahead and make that just a bit bigger. There we go. Okay, so today's lesson is called The Felt Family Crosses the Street. You might have remembered in our last lesson, you met our little felt people here, and they were wanting to take a walk and cross some streets at my intersection. We added a whole bunch of fun things to help them get across the street safely and to show us how we can do that. So there's my intersection. Remember, we've got crosswalks and stop signs and stoplights and sidewalks. Now here's my felt family. They've been walking on the sidewalk. Here, let me get my laser pointer again. There we go. They've been walking up the sidewalk like this, and they would like to cross this street here. So what do? Do they just walk into the middle of the street? No. They have to stop, look, and listen before they even step into the street. So let's get them back on the corner again. When they are on the corner, they are going to stop. They want to look and listen for cars. Now you've probably heard look both ways or look left, right, left. But we also need to look behind and in front, because we've got cars all around us at these intersections sometimes. My felt family is going to need to check in with all of these drivers because they might all be going over the crosswalk. Let's see how that looks. Maybe the red car needs to make a right-hand turn. See how it goes right over the crosswalk there? Maybe the rainbow car wants to make a left-hand turn, and see how it drives right over the crosswalk there? We have to stop, look, and listen for any cars that might be all around us. So my felt family, they look over and they see the school bus. Then they make eye contact with the driver, and the school bus driver does this. Is it safe for them to cross? Not yet. They look behind them and they see the rainbow car. They notice that this time the rainbow car is not turning, it's driving straight through, so that's okay. Then they come and they make eye contact with the truck. Now, they can't actually see inside of the car to make eye contact with the driver, but they look and they notice that the truck is slowing down, and then it comes to a stop. Is it safe for them to cross yet? Not yet. They have to check in with this driver here. So they look straight ahead at this driver here, and they get that driver's attention, and then that driver also waves them through. Now that they've checked in with all of the cars, and here I'll show you a picture of what it looks like in real life. Here is a mom and her little boy. They're making eye contact with those drivers and making sure that the car has stopped. Once all of the cars have stopped and you know that the drivers see you and it is safe to cross, then it is time to cross. As we cross though, we want to continue to look for cars. So as we cross the street, we're still looking because cars can show up at any time. We want to make sure that if we're trying to cross and somebody is driving across, like maybe this truck, we want to make sure that we don't walk in front of that truck while we're doing that. Okay, so as we cross, we want to continue to look until we get to the other side. And that's how you cross the street safely. Okay, I will see you all again for our last lesson, which is a walking field trip around beautiful Sonoma County. Bye.